happy returns of the day, happy birthday. Alright, so I was making a list of all the annoying things that you have been doing throughout these years, but I ended up making all the amazing things that you do. So here's the first one. You are an amazing bike rider, like 50 kilometer in just, couple hours or maybe just half an hour or so. That's not even a goal that I'm thinking of. The girl who drives a bullet, who rides a bullet like crazy, well, and you are an artist. Look, this is what you made. But I tell people that I made. Anyways, you are so loving, caring, well organized, and everything a perfect woman should be with a sass, because you always kick ass. Anyways, you have got amazing family members, because you got me. But then you also have amazing friends, yaar. Oh my god. So, hope you like this small surprise. I love you. Happy birthday.
Birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो बेटू.
Happy birthday,
Happy
many
birthday.
returns of the day.
Many happy returns of the day. मम्मी पप्पा फार आठवण करतात. लांब राहून नाही तू फार काळजी घेती. तुम्ही दोघेही पोरी फार काळजी घेतात.
तुझी सगळी इच्छा पुरी हो.
सगळी इच्छा पूर्ण हो आणि या वर्षामध्ये सगळे चांगले दिवस जाऊन सगळे रीतीने सगळी इच्छा पूर्ण होईल.
ओके.
गॉड ब्लेस
यू बेटा.
टेक केअर. ओके बेटा.
लव यू टू मच. बाय.
ऑल द बेस्ट. बाय. मेनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे. गुड लक.
हम भी अगर बच्चे होते, नाम हमारा होता गुड्डू. नाम हमारा होता गुड्डू. खाने को मिलते लड्डू और दुनिया कहती हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. अरे हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. मेनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे. बेटा खूब सुखी रहा. ओके. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू.
It's amazing how you can speak right to my heart. Without saying a word, you can light up the dark. Try as I may, I can never explain what I hear when you don't say a thing. The smile on your face lets me know that you need me. There's a truth in your eyes saying you'll never leave me. The touch of your hand says you'll catch me wherever I fall. You say it best when you say nothing at all. Happy birthday.
For
पुट्टिनो शुभाकांक्षलु. Many happy returns of the day.
Goody Moody. वो नहीं बोला? You were saying that before, right? Happy birthday. अभी हिंदी में बोला ना? जन्मदिन मुबारक.
जन्मदिन मुबारक हो.
Wish you a very happy birthday, beautiful. Life is too short, but we have lots of memories together and many more to come. In last 15 years, हमने बहुत ups and downs देखे हैं एक साथ. We were always together and thank you for being such a wonderful support system in my life, my bestie. Wish you once again a very happy birthday. बेरंग ज़िंदगी में रंग भर जाते हैं. कुछ दोस्त ज़िंदगी में फरिश्ते बन के आ जाते हैं. लव यू, मिस यू, पार्टी बाकी रहे. एंजॉय योर डे. बाय बाय.
Hi
Hi, JD Masi.
Hi, Lily. Happy birthday, Lily Party.
Hi, birthday girl. Many happy returns of the day. Birthday. Unfortunately, I'm not in Ahmedabad. I definitely would have come to wish you a great surprise. And on this day, I would like to wish you a very happy birthday. Live beautifully, live generously, live freely as you always live. Keep smiling. I'm so grateful to have a beautiful friend like you in my life. Wish you a very happy birthday. Stay happy, be happy. Bye.
Hi, happy birthday JD. How are you? Hope you have a blast this year, even due to the lockdown. और ये साल तो मिल नहीं पाएंगे, बट होप कि अगले साल अपने मिले, और बहुत साल हो गए कि अपने नहीं मिले, तो नेक्स्ट ईयर पक्का मिलेंगे. और दूसरा तो हमेशा बर्थडे के वक्त एक चीज मेरे को याद आती है तेरी, कि तेरे टेरेस पे आया था और तेरी मॉम को उठाया था मैंने, और बोले गलत, पर तेरी मॉम उठ के बोली थी गलत बंदे को उठाया था. फिर वो जो हंसे थे अपने उस दिन, आई ऑलवेज रिमेम्बर दैट, एंड सो मेनी मोर मेमोरीज एंड मेनी मोर मेमोरीज टू कम इन द ईयर हेड. हैप्पी बर्थडे वंस अगेन. हैव अ ग्रेट ईयर. एंजॉय. बाय.
Many happy returns of the day. May God bless you and your all dream comes true. Happy birthday, JD.
Hi JD, it's surprise. Happy birthday to you. Many happy returns of the day. Just I am sharing a video for your birthday celebration. That I just want to tell you that I am missing all the memories that we have together shared on the office. That is either of having lunch together, having a breakfast or a coffee time, and especially at the 10th floor we have shared the memories of having fun together, and also celebration of all the festivals together we have at office. That is kind of beautiful memories we have together. And I just want to tell you one thing, that I really like the one thing from you, that the going towards the uncomfortable things, like coming out of the comfort zone. That is a decision that you have taken, which I respect. And also another thing, that the cycling, that the dedication towards the cycling is the great thing you are doing, and I hope that you will keep it up, and you will be like doing a great with Nishit and Parth and all the teams you have for the cycling. You are doing great. And I also remembering that your farewell, that is gone beyond I think 2 or 3 days, and we have celebrated for at least like half of the weekend. So that is also rememberable day for us. And also the Rajkot trip that we have together, that is one memorable trip we have shared together, and all the wonderful memories we have for you. And I just say that you have a great day, and we will be together again, and hope we will have the wonderful memories again together. Have a great day. Bye.
Wish you a very happy birthday. દોસ્તી અને એની યાદો, આની કોઈ ડેફિનેશન નથી હોતી દોસ્ત. એટલે આપણે મળ્યા એ દિવસથી લઈને આજ સુધીની દરેકે દરેક ક્ષણ જે છે ને યાદગાર છે, અને એટલે જ બેસ્ટ મેમરીને ડિસ્ક્રાઇબ હું નહીં કરી શકું. પણ તને જે નામથી બોલાવું છું ને, રાઉડી, એ રાવડીનો ખરો અર્થ, તું અને તારી દોસ્તી. એ હું આજે કહીશ કે પહેલી વાર મળ્યા પછી જે વસી ગઈ મનમાં અને હૃદયમાં, એ છે તું અને તારી દોસ્તી. જીવનમાં ફક્ત જેણે આનંદનો અનુભવ કરાવ્યો હોય ને, એ છે તું અને તારી દોસ્તી. મન ખોલીને જેણે વાત કરવાનો હક આપ્યો હોય ને, એ છે તું અને તારી દોસ્તી. જેણે મારા ગુસ્સામાં પણ લાગણીઓ જોઈ હોય ને, એ છે તું અને તારી દોસ્તી. મારી સફળતામાં નિસ્વાર્થ થઈને કોઈ ખુશી જોઈ શકે ને, તો એ છે તું અને તારી દોસ્તી. મારા હસતા ચહેરા પાછળ જેણે રડતો જોયો છે ને, એ છે તું અને તારી દોસ્તી. ઘરમાં તૂટીને પડેલો નખ જો કોઈ શોધી કાઢે ને, તો એ છે તું અને તારી દોસ્તી. અને એટલા જ વિશ્વાસથી આજે કહી શકું છું કે સમુદ્રમાં પડેલું આંસુ પણ જો કોઈ ઓળખી કાઢે ને, તો એ છે તું અને તારી દોસ્તી. દોસ્ત તો ઘણા મળ્યા, પણ જે સાચો મળે ને, એ છે તું અને તારી દોસ્તી. એટલે છેલ્લે એટલું જ કહીશ, વન્સ અગેન હેપી બર્થડે.